Rahul Gandhi has met with protesting farmers. They met with Rahul Gandhi in Parliament. But here's where questions are being asked of the LOP. He's met with these farmers saying, we will address your concerns, but hasn't uttered a word on the multiple farmer suicides, the shocking number of farmer suicides in Congress-ruled Karnataka. Nearly 1,200 farmer suicides have been reported in Congress-ruled Karnataka. Rahul hasn't offered a word about that, hasn't offered any comment on that, but has met with protesting farmers to express solidarity with them. These are pictures on your screens of that meeting that took place in Parliament. There was a brief back and forth over that as first permission was denied to these farmer leaders to meet with Rahul inside Parliament, but eventually they were allowed in, and you can see those images of the interaction that took place where essentially these farmer leaders are seeking support from the India bloc, from opposition leaders for MSP guarantee. The farmer leaders are expected to meet a slew of other opposition leaders, but Rahul Gandhi particularly is being questioned about why he has no comment to offer about farmer suicides in Karnataka. Nearly 1,200 suicides that have been reported in the state in 15 months under Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, so a Congress-ruled state. And yet, he's going ahead and meeting with these protesting farmers.
हमारे मैनिफेस्टो में एमएसपी विद लीगल गारंटी लिखा है. हमने पूरा उसका असेसमेंट किया है, वो किया जा सकता है. अभी मीटिंग में हमने ये डिसाइड किया कि जो इंडिया गठबंधन के बाकी लीडर्स हैं उनसे हम ये डिस्कशन करेंगे और फिर सरकार पर दबाव डालने की कोशिश करेंगे कि लीगल गारंटी, एमएसपी लीगल गारंटी हिंदुस्तान के किसानों को मिले. अब वो चर्चा चल रही है, वो उसके बारे में हम इंटरनली डिस्कस करके वो करेंगे.
ये तो क्लियर बात है कि अगर लड़ाई ही हमारी ये जो मांगे हैं, इनमें मांग एक भी नहीं है. सब सरकार के अलग अलग समय के हमारे साथ लोगों के साथ किए हुए वायदे हैं और उन्हीं वायदों को अगर सरकार ना मुकरती, ना वापस बैठ होती तो हमें यहाँ आने नहीं पड़ता. एक बात बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट विपक्ष के नेता मानयोग राहुल गांधी जी से हमारी हुई है. जो हरियाणा गवर्नमेंट ने हमारे किसानों के ऊपर जिस तरह का अत्याचार किया है, उसको इन्होंने हमारे साथ वायदा किया है कि जो हरियाणा गवर्नमेंट वही गोलियां चलाने वाले, वही मारने वाले, वही इन्वेस्टिगेशन करेंगे और वो कैसे इंसाफ देंगे, उसके ऊपर हमारी आवाज बनकर पार्लियामेंट के अंदर वो बात रखेंगे. प्रयास करेंगे कि हमें इंडिपेंडेंट वो इन्वेस्टिगेशन हो पाए और उन्होंने ये भी हमारे साथ कमिटमेंट की है.
Rahul Gautam is joining us live with more details on the story. Rahul, a meeting there between Rahul Gandhi and farmer leaders grabbing eyeballs, but there are questions about what the Congress plans to do about the criticism that they are facing in Karnataka over farmer suicides.
Well, you rightly pointed out that criticism is coming Congress way. For the alleged deaths that have happened in the state of Karnataka. But as we speak, the meeting has been concluded between farmers and Rahul Gandhi. In that particular meeting, Rahul Gandhi assured these farmers that he's going to raise the demand for legal guarantee for MSP in the parliament. He said that he's going to speak with the other alliance partners and then going to insist upon the government that they should give legal guarantee for MSP. Rahul Gandhi said that they have already made this assessment that it is feasible financially to give legal MSP to the farmers, and there is a rural distress in the country because of decreasing consumption and expenditure on the part of farmers. So you can say that it's an attempt on the part of Rahul Gandhi and Congress party to corner the government on the issue of the alleged rural distress and how agriculture sector has been ignored in the recent budget. We've been informed that Rahul Gandhi and Congress party, they're going to hold deliberations with other alliance partners also, and they're going to take up this issue in both houses of the parliament. As far as Karnataka is concerned, there hasn't been any official word from the Congress party. But Congress leaders are saying that the numbers are, exaggerated, and they're looking into this matter and they're going to ensure that if there has been any shortcomings on the part of incumbent government, they're going to take corrective measures and steps to improve the situation. So you can say that that Congress is creating this narrative that farmers are being ignored largely at the cost of political compulsions that BJP had, and that's why they have ignored and didn't give much money to farmers, and that's why they're going to raise this demand of farmers to make legal guarantee for MSP.
All right, Rahul, thanks very much for joining us with all of those details.